I've been exploring the Affinity CRM for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations, so by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what makes Affinity CRM stand out. Unlike traditional CRMs that focus mainly on data entry and pipeline management, Affinity is built around relationship intelligence. It automatically captures your team's emails, meetings, and contacts, so you don't have to spend hours manually updating information. This automation keeps your data fresh and accurate, giving you a clear picture of who knows whom and how strong those connections are. For teams in venture capital, private equity, consulting, or any relationship-driven business, this can be a real game changer. Now let's dive into some of the platform's standout features. Affinity maps your network and scores relationships based on actual interactions, helping you identify the best people to reach out to or get warm introductions from. It offers customizable pipelines, powerful reporting tools, and integrates seamlessly with Gmail, Outlook, Slack, and more, fitting smoothly into your existing workflow. Plus, with mobile apps, you can manage your relationships anytime, anywhere. So, what about pricing? Affinity CRM starts at around $1,200 per user per year, which might seem steep at first glance. But here's the thing. If you're leveraging its automation and relationship intelligence to close deals faster and save hours of manual work, that cost can quickly pay for itself. For teams where relationships are the lifeblood of the business, Affinity's value goes beyond just a CRM. It's a productivity booster. Now let's talk about its usability. The interface is modern and clean, but there is a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to relationship intelligence tools. Also, while the automation is impressive, sometimes it can pull in irrelevant contacts or duplicates, so it's important to review your data regularly to keep things tidy. Additionally, Affinity has improved its analytics dashboard, making it easier to track your pipeline and relationship health at a glance. They've also enhanced their API, allowing for more custom integrations with other tools you use, which is great for teams with complex tech stacks. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the higher price point might not be justifiable for smaller teams or businesses that don't rely heavily on relationship-driven sales. And if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly CRM, Affinity's specialized features might be more than you need. To sum it up, Affinity CRM is a powerful tool for teams that thrive on relationships. If your business depends on networking and warm introductions, its automation and insights can give you a serious edge. But if you're a smaller team or need a basic CRM, you might want to explore other options. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.